Dance on the floor! Dance on the floor! Versace's on the floor! Ay, pakit! Hala ka! Hindi siya tama! Hindi siya creamy tulad ng iba! Magbasang talaga to! Banat! Go! Hala, nahulog! Kawawa naman, wala akong pang-shake. Wala ako yung yung machine ba? Brrrr! This will be the first Dalgona coffee in the planet that it take an hour. Because I don't cut them. I don't forward them. So, magalit na ang magalit. Wala akong take 1, wala akong take 2, and nakaupo ako ng dinakit. I'm sitting like a frog. So now, I will talk because this will take forever and forever and forever. Forever. Okay, let's taste. Let's taste. Let's taste. Ang pait. Hello! Welcome back to my channel. This is Uti Bonita. Did you realize what's wrong with this girl? It's in the floor. Change area. I'm going to vlog a Dalgona coffee today. I'm in the floor. Why? Because floor is clear and floor is white and floor is not for dance on the floor, J-Lo and Bruno Mars. Versace's on the floor. I'm going to make a Dalgona coffee. It's a challenge from my favorite chef, Haris Pavia. Hello, Sophia. You made already the challenge. And I think mine will get not a Dalgona coffee. Will going to be a Dalgona coffee. Okay, let's start. I'm in the floor. What am I gonna do? Okay, I have it here. Guys, I choose in the floor because floor is clear and white. And my table is red and my kitchen is dark. So it will not show the coffee for my beauty. Okay, I have it here. I hope it's not disaster. I have it here. So, Chef Haris said it's 1:1, 1 by 1. So, let's assume each sachet is equivalent to other sachet. So, we only have 2 ingredients, 2 or 3. Coffee, sugar, and hot water. So, let's assume this coffee, 3 coffees. My God, my video will be long. Why? Because this is not perfect. I don't take it take 1, take 2, take 3. No. I just directly film them. 3 coffee. Wala, baliktad. 3 sugar. Everything here is small like me. Everything here is small like me. So, 3 sugar. And this is my cup. I'm trying to find this clear cup for a few days. So, other one is I'm alone here, so I will drink this. I will not gonna be high in this coffee. And I have it here. The tung-tung-ting and this. I don't have the clear. Just can you give me the clear? I want to have clear bowl. Like this clear. So you can see. You only seeing me, my beauty. Okay, wait. I will have to get the hot water. Tansaran! Hot water! Oh my God, what am I gonna do? Ay! Mapasok talaga ako ngayon. Dance on the floor! Dance on the floor! Versace on the floor! My video will be long because I will film them all. So, don't get angry. Anybody who don't subscribe yet, can you click some bell button below? Please. Click, subscribe, and can you share if you think that my video is beautiful as me. Spread to the world all my good vibes so that people will be able to smile like me, right? I smile a lot, right? Guys, even I feel like the crisis walking, carrying my thing in my head. They're still like look like I'm funny. Okay, let's start. Oh my God, chef, help me. It didn't. Wow, the video it did. Is this crazy, right? There's no take 1, take 2 in here. Huh? It didn't show. My God, okay. I will cut this 3. My God, this video will take long. 3 sachets. Because Chef Harry said it's 1:1. So let's assume this is a 3. Wala, nakita ang boobs ko. Let's assume this is, alaka, mahay ko ani, no? 3 sachets of coffee. Clear coffee. What is clear coffee, guys? It's pure, alaka, ang dami nito. Mahay ako nito. Ako lang mag-isa nito. Mahay ako nito. Inumin ko ito lahat. Dapat 2 lang pala. Nagkamali ako. I make it 3 because 3 is I love you, right? 1, 2, 3, I love you. Hala, this video will take too long. My God. I think I'm the only one who make dalgona coffee very long. My video will get long and will get like disaster. I think this will be get, what's that, guys? This going to be a disaster. So I add 3 sachets of sugar. So my boobs is popping out. My God. Okay, let's assume this is 3 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of coffee. It's a plain coffee, guys, because this is a coffee dalgona. Coffee dragona. So, let's add, unsa naman yung akong forma, oy. Okay, magbinaki na lang to. So, let's add, my God, mapasok ako nito, di makuha sa camera. Let's add this, hindi makita. Dapat ba talaga ipakita ang misur? Lahat naman ng video dyan sa dalgona na yan, it's perfect. Dapat hindi wala ng perfect. 3 tablespoons of hot water. 1, 2, 3. Ala, daghan. Wala akong cameraman. Hindi ako tulad ng iba dyan, mayaman. May mga cameraman, right? Okay, I will get closer to the camera. You can see, you guys want to see. My God! Ako lang atang gumawang dalgona na nasa sahig. Okay, let's check. Nainit. My God, I think this will take forever. Hala, bumula na siya. Sana bumula siya. Hala, malabnaw. Bakit malabnaw? Hala, nadamihan ko ba siya ng tubig? Hala, nadamihan ko siya ng tubig. Ay, init. Hala, bumula. Hala, this will take forever. Woo! Tabang, macho. Harap ako para makita ang beauty ko. Hala, bumula siya, guys. Hala ka, pumalsik sa sahig everywhere. Wala akong I don't have the machine. Hala, tumalsik. Hala, bumula siya. Promise, bumula siya. Ay, I forgot to show coffee sugar and freshness pala. No, nakalimutan ko. No take 1, no take 2, no take 3. Hala, bumula siya. Tama lang siya. Wow, bumula siya. Gusto ko yung creamy. Hala, bumula siya. Bumula pala talaga, no? Shit, bumula siya. Akala ko hindi siya bubula, pero hindi siya creamy. Wala, tumalsik. Ang hirap, guys. Tinidor, pamatso na to. Yeah! Woo! Look at my face. It's very hot. There's no snow in here. Hala, bumula siya. Hala ka, ang strong. Hala, gagawa ako next time dalawa lang. Isa lang dapat. Hala, bumula siya. Ay! Ay, sakit! Hala, bumula siya. Pero hindi siya creamy. Hindi siya creamy. Umitim yung lips ko. Hala, hindi siya creamy. Hala, tumalsik sa sahig lahat. God, I'm messy. Ay! It goes everywhere. Hala, bumula siya, promise. Chef, tama ba tong texture nito? Sophia, baby. Hala siya, hindi siya tama. Hindi siya creamy tulad ng iba. Magbasang talaga to. Banat! Go! Hala, nahulog! Kawawa naman, wala akong pang-shake. Wala ako yung yung machine ba? Brrrr! Hala ka! Ang sahig! Hala ka? Nasa sahig na siya lahat. Hala, bumula siya, pero hindi siya creamy. Hindi talaga ata, hindi talaga ata ko creamy, no? Feeling ko, hindi. Everything is in the floor, guys. Promise. Gusto ko yung creamy na creamy. Tabang, help. This will be the first Dalgona coffee in the planet that it takes an hour. Because I don't cut them. I don't forward them. So, magalit na ang magalit. Wala akong take 1, wala akong take 2, and nakaupo ako ng dinaklo. I'm sitting like a frog. So now, I will talk because this will take forever and forever and forever. Forever. Still, the texture is not that creamy, but it's bubbling already. So I like the bubbling style, bubbling. But I don't like the bubbles so much. I like the bubbles, but I like the creamy. Hala ka, bubula pala talaga, no? Basta tinidor at ano lang siya. Tinidor lang to, guys. Wala akong pang-shake. Yung brrrr. Dalgona coffee. Hala! Nasa sahig na lahat. Kung makita nyo yung sahig sa front. Hala, oh. Bumula siya. Bumula, grabe singot ko. Oh, maawa kayo. Tingnan yung singot ko. Pawis, yung pawis ko. Ay, sweat. This is very sweat. It's very hot in here. I don't have snow in my room. I'm sitting a frog. Frog sit. It's a province style. Hala, I think this is it, right? This is it, guys. I will get some ice now. Wow! Hala, bumula talaga siya. Mag-picture kaya ako muna. Hello, this is Sweetie Bonita. Welcome back to my channel. So, right now, I'm gonna put some ice in the cup. Okay? Okay? Hindi naman makuha. Uy, ang hirap talaga ng walang photographer. Ano? Photographer. Woo! Grabe na effect, bye. Parang mapaitong ano ko, gawa ko. Parang mapaitong gawa ko, feeling ko. Okay, and I have it here. The Alaska fresh milk. Hala, hindi makita talaga yung gawa ko. Like that. Cheers. And my Dragona coffee. Hindi makuha. Hindi na makuha. Lahat-lahat. Wala nang makuha. Ito. Ano siya? Bumula siya talaga. Bumula. Right? Chef, is this the rice? The right texture? Hindi siya hindi siya creamy. Yung sobrang lapot, hindi. So, this is a disaster, right? Is it a disaster? Dalgona coffee, this is a Dragona coffee. Okay. It's the pouring. Hindi makita. Bakit ba talaga videohan? Hala ka. Hindi kaya ako mahay nito? Hindi kaya ako mahay nito? It's the pouring rain. Let's cheers! I made it! Grabe, pawis ko. Grabe, ang basa ng mukha ko. Promise, pawis yan. Pawis. Please like, subscribe my channel. This is Witty Bonita. Let's taste. Cheers! This is my Dalgona coffee with nothing machine. No machine. Just a bowl and a tinidor. Yes, like this. Okay, let's taste. Let's taste. Let's taste. Ang sarap. Ang pait.